told you month end could be eliminated, or at the very least smoothed out, to ensure that you actually get some sleep during those dreaded 1 to 2 weeks at the end of each month. I'm sure you think, she's kidding, right? Well, I'm not. I know that this is possible. And in fact, I know that many companies have done this. I'm Dana Goffman, and welcome to another session with Project Accounting Australia in partnership with Access Agile. And the framework I want to explore with you today is called Kanban, originally developed by Taiichi Ohno for Toyota Automotive in Japan. But I'm an Aussie and I often mispronounce things, so Kanban can sometimes be used as well. Kanban is a technique which is used by many engineers, IT professionals, and lean practitioners. But how can it be used by accountants? Well, if this is your typical accounting cycle, with the level of activity increasing during that month end and being quite high, and then heading into what I'd call recovery time for us accountants pre and post month end, it's not like there is nothing to do during the rest of the month. This absolutely is. There are projects, cleanup activities, and a whole bunch of chasing for information during the rest of the month. However, the bulk of the activity seems to happen during that peak 1 to 2 weeks during the monthly cycle. Don't you wish sometimes that during those 2 weeks that you could somehow get rid of this month end altogether, or actually smooth out this time frame to look a little more like this? Guess what? There is nothing stopping you from doing so, apart from the knowledge of how to do it. And I can tell you that Kanban is the answer to smoothing out, or if you're brave enough, getting rid of month end altogether. For our purposes, we work with a 6-step Kanban process when rolling it out to our teams. And step 1 is visualization. And I don't mean the meditative kind. I mean, have a look at what it is that you do every single month and actually visualize each activity and create a visualized board like this. You should end up with something along the lines of a to-do, in progress, and a done pile. Now it's time to see that trend. We suggest running a board like this for a couple of days and actually see what happens. And I'll tell you a secret. You'll end up with a trend. And that trend is you have a lot of useless meetings. But don't tell anyone. Now, how do you get rid of these and create a process that actually optimizes your and your team's work and adds value to your organization? That's what we cover with our course Agile for Finance. And the next 2 courses coming up are in September and October, and it will be limited to 15 people per each course. So hurry up, grab a spot. These are very specifically tailored to accountants so that you understand the lingo being spoken by Agilists and are able to practically implement the skill set that you need. Please click on the links for more information, reach out to us via info@projectaccounting.com.au or comment below for any content that you'd like to see next or talked about in further detail. I'm Dana Goffman and thank you for your time. Please like us and subscribe to our channel.